Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manually update Samsung Galaxy S8 using Odin app without data loss. Okay, first let's check what is the current version of our software. To do it, open up the settings, scroll all the way down and click on About Phone. When it comes to the exact model number, it's SMG950F. Go to Software Information, and in here we have our current software version. When it comes to Samsung devices, we need to remember about one important thing, and that thing is that we can install the every version above our current or the same version again. It's impossible to install older version than our current, but you know, in this video we want to perform an update, so it is obvious that we want the version higher. But when it comes to me, I already have the latest version, so I'm about to install it once again. But for example, if you have older version, let me show you how to do it. So now, we gotta power off the device, hold the power key, and click on power off. Now visit our page, HardReset.info, you can see the link right in here, and go straight to download section. In here, type Samsung drivers and click on search. And select Samsung drivers and click on download. Then type Odin, select the latest version 3.14.4 and also click on download right in here. Then open up a new tab, type SMG50F firmware. I highly recommend to use that page, samfw.com. Click on SMG90F right in here because currently the Romanian version automatically has been selected. Scroll down. In here, type your country or CSC code. I have the Polish version, so I'll type Poland. And I'll pick XEO because that's the version that it's non-branded with a mobile operator. That's the version that I have. Keep scrolling down, and in here we have all software versions. As you could remember, I had the latest version, so I can only install it once again, the same version, but let's say that you have, for example, this version that ends with a DTF1. It means that you can install the same version once again, or every version that it's above on the list. In my case, I have to pick the same version once again, then scroll down, and we have 3 download links. For example, I'll pick the one in the middle. It's up to you which download link you'll pick. And then click on download. In my case, everything is already downloaded, so let's go straight to download section. And in here we have our software, Samsung drivers, and the Odin app. Now we need to extract those 3 files. You can use WinRAR for it. Right-click, WinRAR, and extract to, or you can click on extract all and extract. Now, my files are extracted, so now let's open up the folder with the Samsung drivers. Double click, and we need to install them. Click on yes. Click on next, next, and next. Now we gotta wait until it's installed, and on our phone we need to enter the download mode. To do it, hold the power key, Bixby button, and volume down button at the same time. Keep holding. Okay, and now click on volume up once, just like that. We are in the download mode, but now we gotta wait until our drivers are installed. Okay, it has been installed. We can click on finish. And also, if you are installing the Samsung drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer now, so everything will work properly. Okay, now open up the Odin. First, open up the folder and then launch the app. Click on OK. We also need to have the USB-C cable that is connected to our computer. And now let's connect the phone. Just like that. As you take a look, it has appeared right in here in the Odin app. And now click on BL, go to downloads, open up the folder with the software. We have clicked the BL button, so double click on BL file. It will load. Now AP, select the AP file. This one is going to load a little bit longer because that's the biggest file, so we gotta keep waiting. Now click on CP, select the CP file. Now click on CSC, and it is really important that you need to select Home CSC. Really important, because if you select normal CSC, the phone will perform a factory reset. We don't want that, we just want to update our software. So that is why I select Home CSC. And now click on Start. It has started right in here, we can see it, and now we gotta keep waiting. Okay, when it says pass, it means that everything worked properly. We can unplug the cable now. We won't be needing it anymore. And now our phone is installing the system update, so we gotta keep waiting. We can also close the Odin app. We won't be needing it anymore. And now we gotta wait. And now the phone will turn on, let me show you how we can verify the version in the settings. Basically, we have to open up the software information, just like in the beginning of the video, and you'll be able to verify everything. As you can see, we didn't have any setup process, nothing has been erased, don't worry. And now scroll down, go to About Phone, Software Information, and in here you'll be able to verify your version. In my case, there's no difference, just like I was talking about before, because that's the same version that I had in the beginning of the video. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.